This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your Apple Watch is unlocked and paired. This avoids sync delays. On your iPhone, open the Watch app and tap Face Gallery to browse styles. If you prefer working on the watch, press the digital crown, then firmly press the current face to enter customization. Once done, swipe to view available faces and use the Add or Edit controls. This first step gets you into the right place quickly so you can choose a new face efficiently. Now you'll tailor the face to your needs by selecting complications and adjusting style. On the iPhone Face Gallery, pick a face and scroll to configure color, type, and up to 5 complications. On the watch, tap Customize and rotate the digital crown to change each element. Make sure to set priority complications for quick access and drag to reorder where supported. Once you preview the layout, you'll know how each complication behaves. Finish by tapping Add on the iPhone or pressing the digital crown on the watch to set your new face. This applies settings instantly, but sync can take a few seconds. Make sure the watch stays near your phone during transfer. If the face doesn't appear, force restart the watch by holding the side button and digital crown until you see the Apple logo, then check again. If problems continue, update Watch OS or unpair and repair to clear persistent sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.